Researchers in the Institute for Conflict Cooperation and Security, ICCS, have been working on drones since 2013. And a number of academics within the Institute were involved in the 2014 Birmingham Policy Commission on the security impact of drones. The Commission wanted to explore a distinctively British approach to the use of armed drones, and the report has been received very favourably and has had a lot of impact and has, I think, been an important point of reference in the debate for both academic and non-academic communities. We've continued to work in this area, and as a consequence of the work in the Commission, two of us, myself and Professor David Dunn, were invited by the Open Society Foundation to undertake a further research project on the legality and legitimacy of the use of armed drones, with a view to exploring the potential for a European consensus, and indeed in the longer term the possibility of a transatlantic consensus. And that work is ongoing, and we expect to report later in the summer.